You don't have to break the bank nor upgrade your truck to get a fifth wheel for you and your loved one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The 2025 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100 RK is your next fifth wheel, especially if you're looking for entry level with high-end amenities, and you don't have to upgrade that truck because it's barely 6,900 pounds dry and only 26 feet long with beautiful rear kitchen, large bathroom and bedroom that I'm going to show you right now. Now, the rear kitchen of the 2100 RK features great countertop space, even better storage, and everything you need to really make those camp-cooked meals as special as you can make them. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. The 2100 RK really hit the market last year with a big splash. Affordable fifth wheel for couples and families. The rear kitchen here, I like how we got the pressed surface countertop. You got the stainless steel undermounted sink with the high-rise faucet, cutting board and drying rack covers there. But the window, the backsplash, the countertop, the color scheme of this driftwood scheme really flows and looks good. But more importantly, it's extremely functional. Because in a coach that's not even 26.5 feet long, look at the storage space that you have back here. And since it is a Cougar, calling cards like quality construction, hideaway hinges, backsplash that continues all the way through the cabinetry, not only serves as a visual appealing to the eye, but also just look at the space that you have here. All the drawers, solid wood, full extension on drawer guides, plus you got a great spot for your trash can underneath. Then when it comes time for cooking, you got even more prep space thanks to the fact that your 3-burner cooktop is recessed with the glass cover, doubles as a protector for that nice backsplash and thermoform countertop, and you got the 16-inch Furion oven. And to keep everything nice and chilled, you got the 12-volt oversized 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo right here that is the acrylic front. So good space. You can run it while going down the road. But more importantly, everything looks good, really just flows right into your living area of your 21RK, which we're going to talk about right now. And the living area here in the 2100 RK features oversized booth dinette, very comfortable plush top recliners, and an entertainment center that's accessible pretty much everywhere. The thing I like about the dinette here, yes, it does serve a double purpose. Even though the 2100 RK is a couples coach, if you're an emerging family or you got the grandkids coming over or you got dogs, this reduces down into a sleeper. Plush and comfortable overstuffed cushions, great large panoramic window with the side balances that gives you some cross breeze, but also some additional light. And the storage inside, pretty handy too. You got the little spot there. The reinforced wood slats really help give this support when you're talking about turning it into the bed. Just everything you'd expect from Keystone, but the great thing about it being the Cougar Sport is if you'd never had a fifth wheel before or you never really had the regular Cougar, you don't know some of the features that they have that the Cougar Sports don't. So you're not missing them. Like solid backed cushions as opposed to just having a panel, meaning instead of lifting up the cushion and having your storage with the regular Cougar, with the Sport, you just have one more step. You just grab the panel. So, I mean, for me, yeah, I'll save a couple of dollars to be able to do that. Then add the fact that you have an entertainment center up top with an oversized TV that is also on a swivel arm. So if we want to extend this out and let's say I'm cooking and the game's on and I want to kind of see what's going on behind me, I absolutely can. And just like the cabinets in the kitchen, solid wood construction, shaker style with this brushed nickel solid pull. Right there is my entertainment center. The IRV Technologies, it is Bluetooth. You got a HDMI as well as USB connection, but it's dual zone, so you can play the music both inside and out. And then when it comes time to chill, these I'm a huge fan of. A few years ago, they started putting these overstuffed pillow top recliners into RVs. Now with the Cougar, yes, I'm in a slide. The head height is only about 5'8", so you do have to watch out there if you're coming up and down. But take a look at the space that you have here. Plenty of walking room, once again in a coach that's not even 27 feet long. Entertainment if I want to watch the game. Windows for light and breeze, plus more power options than you need. You got USB-C and A here, USB, heat and massage, plus, ooh, that feels good too. You got your cup holders and another power station with more USB as well as 110. So if you're like my friend Ryan that has 6 phones and 4 laptops as well as 3 tablets, I don't know why, you got spot for all of that. And if you need more additional storage space, you got it right here. Good solid wood shelves, hidden hinges, and some hangers if you want to put up, I don't know, aprons, coats, backpacks, whatever. All in all, really making this space functional and nice. Now let's head up the stairs and check out the bathroom and our command panel. Now, once again, a feature that's in the regular Cougars that isn't in the Cougar Sport, so if you've never used it, you're not gonna miss it. But instead of the Gen 3 in command panel, now you just have the regular plate. So you can check your battery, see where you are there, as well as your your tanks, which your fresh tank, which is Frank. To be frank, your fresh tank is a 54-gallon fresh. Your gray is 60 and your black is 30. But you can kind of see the levels that you have there, as well as being able to cut on your water pump and run your HVAC. What's nice about this one, you still get a ducted 15K BTU AC inside of here with the blade distribution system, which gives you about 30% more effectiveness when it comes to your cooling. And then the bathroom, pressed countertop, undermounted bowl, and decorative shower really sing when it comes to this primary bathroom. As you can see, my shower is oversized. It's stepped in with the herringbone pattern on my surround here. Plus, I got the brushed nickel handle. I got the oversized skylight, and instead of having a door, I like how they gave me the retractable curtain door. Big fan of that because it does give you a little bit more space coming in and out. Plus, it's antimicrobial and easy to clean. Oversized is also my porcelain foot flush toilet and countertop here. Thermoformed pressed countertop with the undermounted sink. Pretty much meaning, you know how a lot of times you get that seam around the sink and that'll chip off or get dirty? You don't have to worry about that here. You can just brush everything into the sink when cleaning up. Oversized medicine cabinets with the mirror, plus hanger for your towels, your bathrobes, as well as a vent and fan. And all the drawers and doors inside of your Cougar Sports are soft close. I mean, talk about just packing full of features that you might not actually see, but you'll definitely enjoy. Cougar Sports got them. Like my tankless water heater. That's pretty nice too. Endless hot showers? Okay. How about endless nights of sleep? Yeah, let me show you how we're gonna make that happen. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Last year when they introduced the 2100 RK, yes, you got the queen size bed, you got nightstands, and you got ward storage. It worked well because of how they did the flow. Everything, even though his coach, once again, isn't even 27 feet long, the way they designed it, everything works and you still have space. Walk around queen bed with strut supported storage, nightstand space on both sides with cubby underneath, plus USB charging as well as 110. And you'll notice that the outlets are inverted. That's because your Cougar Sport 2100 RK also comes with the Solar Flex Protect on it. So you got a 220 watt solar panel on top, being able to charge and power some of these outlets. It's pretty awesome. And even in this price point, you got a second AC right here in the primary bedroom. Frosted glass inlays in my cabinet doors, as well as some storage space up here. I'm not gonna call this ward space because there's no ward bar, because what they did was over here on the wall, and you'll see I'm standing up too. Yes, this is a 6,900 pound coach, 27 feet long, 26 feet long. And I'm able to stand up here. Plus, it's a raised platform. Anyway, you got the armoire, chest of drawers, as well as mudroom storage all in one. Ward bars right there, drawer right here, and a great spot to throw the shoes, the bags, the laundry basket, whatever you want is right there. I mean, all in all, with the windows, the space, for that upgraded camping appeal without paying the upgraded price, or more importantly, upgrading your truck, I think the 2100 RK is checking the boxes. But what about the outside? Well, let me show you. Now, the outside of your 2100 RK not only features a couple of upgrades, but a lot of storage, a lot of amenities, and it looks nice. Starting right up front with this molded end cap that we have right here, you got the multi-state running lights, plus you got the key vision to help you back up. And the thing that I absolutely love about what Keystone does, they use these fifth wheel hitches that have a pivoting head in it. That rubberized gasket in here is going to help absorb that towing, the chucking and bucking, if you will. Plus, you got the storage box down there where your spare tire is right now, but could also be a generator box. Not to mention battery box. And one of my favorite things, the Gigi box. This allows you to disconnect the RV's battery while also keeping the solar charger going so the battery can keep charging. And right here, you can kind of see where you're at as far as in the status of the charge with your solar charge controller. And you are also pre-wired for Tire Link, which is a tire pressure monitoring system. I would absolutely recommend getting on any RV you buy. Or the NTSA says that there are 76,000 RV accidents each year in the US. Number one cause, tire blowouts. You don't want that. Got your stabilizer jacks in the front and the rear, as well as the pet leash down here, which is welded to the frame, giving you some additional security there. And on each side, you'll see that you have your propane tanks, twin 30s, but check out my storage. Magnetic clasp on the anti-slam doors, finished off pass-through storage right here. A great shot of the aluminum superstructure that you have inside your 2100 RK, plus that foam insulation. Got to tell you, man, the barriers that they put on this, the fact that your underbelly is enclosed, this could be a 3, maybe even 4-season coach, depending on where you are inside the country. Inverted outlet there. If you want to set up some outside entertainment, you absolutely can. Back of your furnace, as well as back of your tankless water heater. Pro tip that I had to learn the hard way, don't put a camp chair right here when somebody's running the furnace, because you'll pretty much lose it. Oversized awning LED light strip, frameless windows with the 80% tint, solid step over steps leading me into the main entry here with tempered glass door and oversized handle. Not only does that look good, that also helps with privacy and keeping the coach a little bit cooler. On the back, you'll see we're backup ladder and backup camera prepped. Plus you got the hitch here, so if you want to throw on a little rack for maybe a generator, some wood, the bikes, you absolutely can. And right here is your plug, your main connection for your 50 amp connection here. Plus with Keystone, you're gonna get some nice quality construction features like true fit slide construction. What does that mean? Every slide that they make is manufactured to fit exactly to that space, minimizing gaps, minimizing the use of machines to pull them in and out. Pretty much less water, less air, less chance for stuff to fail. Very nice thing to happen. And right over here on the off-camp side is your, what I like to call the exterior command center. Got your outside shower with hot and cold, as well as your winterization, your city fills, your bypass, your tank flush, your Key TV multi-source connection, which is a smart connector. That's another great calling card Keystone has with everything they manufacture. You plug in cable or satellite, this thing is smart enough to know which is which, so you're not chasing cables inside the RV trying to figure out how to watch TV. Plus, you got your controls for your dumps. Now, you got the 54-gallon fresh, 60-gallon gray, 30-gallon black on this beauty. Other side, you pass through storage. You'll see that you are inverter prepped, plus your stabilizer jack controls right here, and the info panel. This to me is really the most important part of any RV, because this is where you come to see, okay, how much does this coach weigh? So for example, unloaded vehicle weight on this one, 6,920. We're not even 7,000 pounds dry. Gross vehicle weight, 8,500 pounds. Pretty much the difference between those two numbers is how much storage you can have on there, including fluid in the tanks, which never take an RV out with full tanks. Just my thing. But at 26 feet 3 inches, 6,900 pounds dry, and can easily sleep 4, maybe more, up to 6 if you, I consider the recliners a sleeping spot. But this is really a couples coach. And it hit last year, was phenomenal because of the price point, the size, and the weight. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. The 2100 RK Cougar Sport 5th wheel, right for you, right for the emerging family. But if you got more than 4, it's gonna be a little cramped. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you like about the 2100 RK. Where would you take it? Where do you see yourself going with it? What would you change if it were yours? We love hearing from you. Please also click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. And if you're saying, Chris, we like this, but you got anything a little bit bigger, or you got anything that has a few more amenities, got a couple of videos I'll link for you that you can check out. And as always, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for hanging with me. Hope you enjoyed the 2100 RK. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. See you soon.